Okay, let us continue. My name is DDH60. Welcome 60 Graphics. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and comment. Let us continue our pharmacy inventory system. Okay, we in the last tutorial we ended up in the graphical interface and some sort of data, some queries and the tables. So now we are going to dig into the logics. Okay, dig into the logics. So I'm starting with this save button. So in the save button I have on click and on mouse move. First we start on click, then we click that, then we go to our welcome. Now it is the place to have fun here. Okay, first of all we declare activity as the record set because we must preserve some data. Okay, the saved data we must preserve. Remember we have the table for preserving the saved data. Okay, so we must have the record set. Then we dim user as user as a string, then we dim r sub as the record set. We must have some different this also in order to deduct quantity from the inventory. We must have the DO. That's remember that. Okay, yeah, let's go. We start from the user. We put rs user equal to forms. We reference forms. Remember, you know the navigation form. This is our main form. First of all, we must have the detail of the user. First of all, we must have the detail of the user. So user is equal to form navigation forms text user dot value. Remember the text user. If you haven't seen my tutorial, go to the tutorial number 21. Explain from this text user. After that, now we are going to check. We are going to disable something here. I think you understand. Okay, we have the status here. This is status. When you see here, this status has some sort of text here. If the status is completed, you can see you can't add anything. And when I save this one, okay, Landela. Okay, and when you click here, you can't save the order. Okay, and when you add something here, you can't add into the saved order. Okay, so we are going to disable some features if the status is this one and if the status is this one. So we have completed, not saved, in progress. We have that one. So and when you come here to remove this item, you can't access this button because it is completed. So I think you understand what I'm going to teach you here. Then we are back into our code. So we check if the status dot value is equal to deleted. So if the order is deleted, we will see how to delete the order. Okay, just see. Let's go slow. If status dot value is equal to deleted, then we go to reference forms. Okay, we disable some sort of fields. Okay, form series order. So we are going to that main form. Then we reference from the F sub purchase order line, that the sub form dot form quantity. We reference the quantity here for the ones who don't know the quantity here. This one quantity from this form. We reference from series order, then F sub purchase order line, then this form. Okay, you understand. Okay, dot enable is equal to false if it is deleted. If the status is deleted, then it disable this button. It will disable discount. Okay, it will disable CMD remove. CMD remove is that button for removing this one. Okay, also it will disable it will change the color of CMD remove. Okay, you see here CMD remove dot for color is equal to VB green. Forms, it will disable the CMD item code. Item code is this one it will be disabled, so as you can't alter anything from the deleted order. Then message box, if the deleted order if it is deleted order, then this one will be hidden, will be disabled, and you will get the message this order has deleted. So if we want to save the deleted order, okay, you got me in there, then the title is bad choice. Then we undo any changes you made in that record. After that, we create a new record. Think you understand? Okay, do cmd.go to record and comma. Then we got the new record, action new record. Then we exit sub, we end if. We start from here. This is a way we can disable the action for saving the deleted order. Then we come, if we want to save the completed order, what be done? Okay, if status.value equal to completed, then we must give first the message, sorry my dear user. Okay, you see I use this user because I have the value here of user. Okay, so sorry my dear, we concatenate, then we leave the space, then we put sorry my dear, maybe somebody who logged in, then this order has been completed. Then we go to the new line. Okay, we concatenate to the new line, we go to the new line, we put ampersand and VBA CRLF and underscore, then we put the another message here, please create a new order now. Then VB critical, the text, the title is bad choice. After that we undo, okay, any changes. Then we go to create a new record. Then the form will be creating a new record to put some customer details, item details. Okay, you will see when we complete this, I will show you how these things work. Okay, so then we'll come to reference, then we will put this quantity is equal to enable because we create a new record, so as we can allow somebody to add something to the form. We put total discount enabled, we put CMD removed enabled, then item code enabled, then we exit the sub, then we end the block 2 now. Then we come, if the status is on progress, then if the status is on progress, we disable quantity, we disable discount, we disable CMD remove, we make the CMD remove color to VB green, we disable the item code. I think you know. Then after that, this is on progress. After that, we must keep the records. Okay, we must keep the record. Sorry, the dog is back in there, but no, okay. But you can, it's not interfere much. Let us continue. So we must put the record set to the sales order sub. Remember I told you to the previous tutorial that we must have the sales order sub table. So now we must put the record set from the sales order sub because we are going to save. When somebody is pressing save, we pass through this one until here now. Okay, so we set the RI sub equals to current db.open record set. Then we open record set where in the sales order sub, then db open dyna set. If we use in the database or SQL or Saver, we use this one because to avoid the error. Okay, then we loop through subform records and save each one to the new table. Remember this. Okay, some of you are failing to loop through subforms. Say I am using with here, so I'm starting with forms. I want to loop through the order, the f sub purchase order line with forms sales order f sub purchase order line dot form dot record set. First of all, dot move first. Remember, do until end of file rs dot sub add new. Remember, we add new. We are not editing here, we add. Then rs sub item code, this is filled from the sales order sub. Okay, we have seen that in the previous tutorial. Then unity price, then we start to get the value from our form put to our the table, put in the table. So rs sub item code equal to form sales order f sub or purchase order line form item code column number 0. Remember, that is the combo box. We specify which data we want to be in this item code here. Remember, let me show you here. Remember, when we check the item code here to the dot here, when they check the lower source of this item code, when we click here, we got this. We got the item code from inventory, description from inventory, and expired. When we run this, we have three. We have, in real sense, we have 3 columns, but the database count this the first column. This is the first column. This is the second column. This is the second column. But the counting in the system, it is counting like this: 0, 1, 2. So we must have the item code. We want the item code to be pressed to our table, to be preserved to our sales order sub table. So now I think you understand now. So let us come here to our code. So we preserve by locating the column 0. We want the data from the column 0, so we can change anything from this one. Okay, then unit price equal to form sales order sub. So you do like this one, then you form inventory unit price. This is the way the field is named, dot value. Okay, then we description, you add the item code we specify, because the description is from that combo box. So we add the description and we specify the column line. We want the description, we want the name of that item, so we specify the column item 1. Then the quantity, we go to the form of quantity dot value, the quantity we pressed on the order. Then we come to order date. Okay, we get the date of the order. Discount, we get the discount, and ID number. ID number, this is from that one. Then we form sales order, we get the value, the order number. Okay, form sales order, we want to get the value from the sales order. Remember here, show you here. Okay, we wanted the order, we add the we wanted the number from here. Okay, so we from sales order, then number. Okay, think you understand. Okay, then we update the table, then we move next. After saving the first order, we can until we end the end of file, then we end with, we loop from the records from that subform, then we ended up to that one. Then we close the sub, then we set it equal to nothing. After that, we set status equal to completed again, because this is on progress. Then when we save it, must change to completed. Then the message box changes saved. You'll understand later what this means, but for now, let us go. Follow the lead. Follow my lead, follow my lead. Then if there is any record to our system and we wanted to edit them, okay, we must use activity record set. Okay, like this one, set activity equal to current db open record update date. I have this another table, so let us see this table. Okay, update date. Remember, when I show you a table, please update date, remember to add that table. I have order number, order date, customer name, timestamp, prepared by, description, quantity, order date 2, okay, unit price, edited, status. Remember, this table will help us to the sales order history or tracking issue. So you must have this to preserve some issues. So we the order date here is the order date of they place the order. Okay, and this date here is the date when you add the order or you press the order. Like such you can see. So make the table like this, update date, or you can name as you want. Then we are going. Okay, now we edit the record. If this, remember when the data is on progress, means it was saved and now edited some quantity or no, like some, so it is there on our table update date. So if it is there, what to do? We must first edit the record. Okay, we set this activity is equal to current db.open record set update date with forms sales order sub from record set. Then we move first, then we do until the end of file. Remember, activity.add new, we reference activity prepared by is equal to forms navigation forms text user. We get the name of the user to main form navigation form. Remember, activity order date is equal to me.order date. Okay, remember we are on the main form, so we can use me.order date. I think you understand. Activity customer name, you can use me.customer because we have changes here. Okay, this one there's no way to reference because the button is on this form, so you can use me.something because it is here. I think you understand. Now then timestamp is equal to now, then order number is sales order. Okay, status is equal to me.status. You must put a status. Okay, the status, remember there it is completed, so it's completed. Description, then we reference description, forms sales order. This one we specify the item, we want the name of the item. Quantity, you specify the quantity. Okay, item price, then you reference. Order 2, form sales order, form purchase the order line, order date. This one, then edited is equal to text. I had some text here, edited. If was edited, then we update, then we move next, then we loop, then end it with. Remember, we are still on if, we are still on this case, we are still here. This is one block. Okay, still we have the if the status is equal to on progress. Okay, then we come to else. If is not on progress, if it's not on progress, then set activity currently DB on open record set this one. I think you know, I've told you we have some saved normally, and when you edit, you must edit data. Okay, then okay, what the thing here? What is the thing? Okay, I understood. Okay, now with forms, then we put something like that one. So just like that one, like that. We have disabled something here. Here mount form not be here. Then we add a new prepared by, we search for the user, add the quantity, add this one, arrange this one, then we update, then we move next, then we close, and then we come to deduction. Okay, dim db as deo.record set or deo.database. Dim db as deo.database, dim rs as deo.record set, count as long, and n as long, sql as a string. Here I put in the one line. Set db is equal to current db. Okay, then set rs is equal to db.openRecord. For the tutorial, for the previous tutorial, I think is the tutorial when building up the series or the form, I think I have explained this concept, so you can check that one. I think you know now, so I go first. So we set rs is equal to db.record set, then we select from the series detail. Remember, we have series details for the intermediate data. Then where we select the series order number equal to middle series order. Okay, series order means the number. Okay, so we select the number according to this one. Then if the rs of end of file is equal, if rs is at end of file, then exit sub. If there is no record, stop executing this level at this level. Okay, then rs.move last, we move last, count is equal to rs.record count, rs first. For n, we just go for n, if is equal to 1, then we start to count. sql.update inventory, set inventory quantity. Remember, this is equal to inventory.this one inv underscore quantity minus we concatenate, then rs.fields. Fields means the fields from our table. Okay, rs field, which is quantity, the field from no, this field is for field from our form quantity, and where item code is equal to rs field item code. So we check the item db.execute then rs, then next, and then we come to the next record. After that, we set, then we check, we put some record. Set rs sub is equal to current record set series order sub. We put some sub, loop through the form records, and each one is a new table. Then with form series order like this one, move first, do until end of file, rs sub dot add new, then you put like that one, and we think we have repeated this. Then you come to call this call not saved, because I have some sub function there down. It's called not saved click. Then message box rs.record count and the items inventory updated. Then me.f sub purchase order line dot require the first, then refresh the form. Then forms, we must put those fields into disabled because we saved the data and we can't from that form. So we must force discount to false, move it to false, simply move for card to be green, then it encode to false. Then we the status to completed. Then we end if and sub. Okay, so let me show you the not saved, not saved. Where is it? Oh, sub. Why is not here? Oh, it is here. Save call not saved. Click here. Oh, it's not here. I remember private sub. Yes, this one. Okay, private sub not saved. Click dim a save as boolean, then a save is equal to true. Message box record. Oh no. Oh, record saved successful. So this is my not save click. So that's I want to show you. Okay, so the code you will get in the link on the description. So you get the code on the description. You can copy and go and match your application. If you want the source code, just go the description, just buy the source code. So if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay. Okay, like and comment, support. Okay, just make support, then I will continue to make tutorial, so until we will accomplish our application. Okay, thank you. Ciao. No. Now I want to show you how this works. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so let me first go and log. Let me go log in. Okay, let me go log in. Then I log in. Okay, just because when I'm not logging, the thing will not work. Then the sales order is here. So okay, you see when I click, let me load that order we created. Will not saved it. Okay, you see this is not saved the order, and you see it. It's editable, not saved the order. And you can remove quantity. I can remove this one. Okay, see, and I can add a certain quantity. I can add, and you see here the net amount. This one I can put the discount if you want discount for this one. I put up maybe 54, and the discount will be reducted here. You see. Okay, then when I click save like this, you see record saved here still not changed, but when I click OK, it will count the item 1 2 3 items inventory updated, and I click OK, then the status will be completed, and this will be locked like this one. When I want to add something here, okay, when I want to add something here, it will say you are not allowed to add item order, please create new order. When we must create a new order, but when I want to save, remember we want to save, and when you have saved the item, when you click this report, you won't see that the label, the not saved detail. You want, so you see the discount, the subtotal, total. Okay, this correct or not? Why not? Why is not correct? There is something here, but that's what it is. Then I have the A4 report like this. Okay, I think here we must have something here in the calculation. Okay, then when I save again this, when I save this one again, it says, sorry my dear somebody Richard Mahendeka, because I'm logging in, this order has created, please create a new. When I click it OK, it will create a new order, and the focus is on customer name here. So you can select it, then you go start adding some amount, start adding some amount, So the next tutorial we are going to check. Oh, I have repeated some item here, that's why the application is through an error. So the next tutorial we will go to see the scan barcode. We will check this A4 report, check this series or order if time allow us. Check this one, but first of all we'll check this one, and we check this one, and we check this one, and we'll check on load of this form, and we'll check this other button. Okay, like so. Ciao. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment my name. Don't forget to subscribe, please.